Want to create your own custom course with AI in seconds? Let me show you something crazy. Open your browser and go to Tutor.AI. Click on the first link, then tap on Create Custom Courses. After that, you'll see a screen that says, Type a topic. There, you need to type the name of your topic. I'm going to type DSA in Java here, and then I'll click on the Create Course button. As soon as I clicked on the Create Course button, my course was generated. It gave me 6 chapters. Each chapter has modules, and each module has even more parts. But now the main question is, how can we take more benefit from this course, and what are the options available that we can use to make our learning faster? First of all, if the content of the course feels difficult, then to make it easier, there's a Simplify button next to the content. Just click on that Simplify button. Also, if you've studied a specific part of your course and want to check your learning, there's a Quiz button right next to Simplify. Click on that too. Moreover, if you want to check examples or learn with practical understanding, then click on the Examples button. You'll see different examples appear on the screen, and by going through them, you can understand your topic much better. And if you want to copy your content, there's a Copy button on the top right side in the middle. You can use that to copy it. And if you want to share it, there's also a Share button next to the Copy button. Just click it to get the link and share it with others. Also, you have more actions on the left side. If you want to create a new course, just click on the Create New button. If you want to create flashcards for your current course, click on the Flashcard button to generate flashcards. So that's how you can build a full course, simplify it, test yourself, and even create flashcards all in one place. If you found this helpful, hit like, share with a friend, and subscribe for more AI and tech tips.